Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a happy birthday Instagram collab for Georgina at George's Nails 83. This one's hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and Carolyn Archer. And our theme for George's birthday was Purple Toppers Crellies. So I'm going to get started with Essence Gel. And this one is So What, and it's not a gel polish, it's a regular polish. And LA Girls Glitter Addict in Euphoria. Beautiful purple glitter topper. So we're going to get started. I'm going to once again say I love the brushes on the Essence polishes. And this is a dusty, super light purple. And I thought it would be great for this manicure. So I've gone in with my first coat, and I am doing a second coat. I didn't mention it, but I do have on a base coat. I believe it might have been a peel off. I'm not sure what it was. That's why I didn't put the picture in. So, you know, just forgive me. There's a swatch photo of So What on its own. And here we go with the LA Girl Glitter Addict topper. You can see it's got little bitty purple holographic glitters, and then it's got some that are a little bit bigger. I'm going to top it with Out the Door by I&M. Get it to dry down so we can do a little bit of stamping. I'm not going to go too crazy. I'm just going to do a couple of accent nails today. There we go. Hi Woody, how you doing? Getting my mess cleaned up. And here is a swatch photo of the layering. I'll be using Maniology MXM 059 today. It's a plate I haven't used, so I figured I'd break it out. I've got to get the blue film off of it, and it's doubled up, so here we go, pulling up that double film. And then I'm going to clean it with some acetone and wipe it down with a paper towel. That's how I always do it. Alrighty, and I'll be using my Monocle Stamper and Bundle Monsters number 10 stamping polish. It's a dark purple. And I'll be using my new scraper from H. La Costadora. And I'm going to use this little image here for a couple of accent nails. I'm going to use this little piece of tape here to get off this excess so that I don't end up with that in my manicure. I'm going to line that up and plop it down. I didn't do too bad. It's not dead on center, but, you know, wonky nails and all. I'm going to clean that plate with some pure acetone, and then we're going to get to doing the next one, because I'm only going to do 2 today. I'm not going to go crazy. I love this purple stamping polish. I think I found it like in their polishes, something very similar to it, with one with a name, but I haven't been able to get my hands on it yet, so I'm hoping I do it before I run out. There we go. So we got purple on top of purple on top of purple. I'm going to hop in here with a little piece of tape and get some of that excess off my skin. And then I'm going to top this with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. I do have a Maniology discount code in the description box if you're interested. Today I'm going to finish this one off with some Seche Vite. It's been a minute since I've used it, but might as well use it. I got it. And cap my free edge. Here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. As always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.